As adults, our bodies are constantly working to keep us going. To maintain optimal health and energy levels, proper nutrition is essential. This means consuming a balanced diet rich in a variety of essential nutrients. Here's a breakdown of the key components of a healthy adult diet. Fruits and vegetables. These powerhouses provide vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, crucial for digestion, immunity, and disease prevention. Aim for at least 5 servings per day, incorporating a rainbow of colors for a wider range of nutrients. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread offer sustained energy due to their complex carbohydrates and fiber content. They are also a good source of B vitamins, which are important for metabolism and brain function. Lean protein. Protein is the building block of our bodies, and adults need it for muscle repair, tissue growth, and enzyme production. Lean protein sources include fish, poultry, beans, lentils, and tofu. Not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, found in sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for hormone regulation, cell function, and brain health. Limit saturated and trans fats, which can contribute to heart disease. These nutrients work together to maintain strong bones and teeth. Adults should focus on getting enough calcium from dairy products or fortified alternatives and vitamin D from sunlight exposure or dietary sources like fatty fish. While knowing what to eat is important, mindful eating habits are equally crucial. Portion control is key. Pay attention to serving sizes and avoid overeating. You can use smaller plates and bowls to help with portion control. Reading food labels is really important. Understanding ingredients and nutrition information on food labels allows you to make informed choices. Focus on limiting added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Water is essential for bodily functions. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support overall health. Planning meals and prepping healthy snacks in advance can help you avoid unhealthy choices when pressed for time. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and added sugars. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Remember, proper nutrition is a journey, not a destination. There will be occasional indulgences, and that's okay. The key is to strive for a balanced diet most of the time, and make healthy choices that fuel your body and mind for a long and fulfilling life. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.